Hi everyone! This is Heart and welcome to the Heartbaker Kitchen. And for our recipe for today, we will be making vegan fudge brownies. So, a vegan version naman, kung nakita nyo na yung aming regular fudge brownie recipe also on our channel. Now, we will be making a vegan version. So first, I want to introduce to you yung ating gifts from Sabroso Tsokolate Philippines. If you're not familiar, they are a local company that has a wide array of cocoa-based products from their 100% chocolate, cocoa nibs, cocoa powder, cacao butter, and the like. Yan. So of course, you can find their products on their website, their shop in Lazada, and in Heartbaker PH Baking Needs. Yan, meron tayo yan. So let's start with our vegan fudge brownie recipe. So this is just a very easy fudge brownie recipe. Again, no mixer needed, no special equipment needed, just your bowl, spatulas. Yan. And ating oven is already preheating. So yung ating first step ay to bloom yung ating flaxseed. So this is ground flaxseed. So this is actually a good egg substitute. Yan, for vegan recipes. Ating ground flaxseed, ibubloom lang natin siya sa water. So dissolve natin sa water. And then for this one, you want to set this aside for about 15 to 25 minutes para ma-achieve niya yung right consistency. So since this is an egg substitute, gusto natin yung consistency niya is parang egg din. So we have here, we prepared a while ago. Yan, so around 15 to 20 minutes ago. Yan, so as you can see, it's very consistency is like yung egg talaga. So it's a good substitute for vegan recipes such as our fudge brownie for today. So we set this aside. We'll get our bowl. And in our bowl, we'll be using Muscovado sugar. So yung Muscovado sugar ay yung rawest form of sugar. And then we have soy milk. So, whisk lang natin together. Then we have canola oil or any vegetable oil. And melted margarine or vegan butter. We'll also add in our vanilla extract. Yan, and our bloomed flax egg. Here. If you want this to be more chocolatey, yung flax seeds you can dissolve in brewed coffee. And so it has a more intense chocolate flavor. So we'll add in our flax eggs. So immediately, you'll see yung consistency niya. It really mimics the eggs. And then our melted Sabroso Tsokolate. So Sabroso Tsokolate is 100% chocolate. So it's very, very rich chocolate flavor. It's vegan friendly, halal certified, yan, keto or low carb friendly. But this recipe will use all-purpose flour, so it's not really low carb. And we also used Muscovado sugar. But compared to using regular sugar, yan, this is a good option. Yan, so you see already yung ating chocolate mixture. Yan, dark chocolate. And then we'll add in our all-purpose flour. And these are all pre-sifted naman. And then the reason why we don't want to sift yung dry ingredients natin here is that so that we have a dense and fudgy brownie. And then our, baking powder is a little bit. And we gently mix it. So just until walang mga dry na flour powder or cocoa powder sa ating mixture. So once our dry ingredients is well incorporated, okay, then we'll get our 8 by 8 inch square pan lined with non-stick baking paper. Yan, so that it will be easier to remove our brownies later. So we'll pour all of our brownie batter. So spread it. Okay, so for a little bit of texture, we can top it with a little bit of cacao nibs and walnuts. Yan. Again, depending on your preference, you can use any type of nut or topping na gusto niyo. Yan. So, cacao nibs, it adds that crunch and deeper chocolate flavor. Ito kasi yung cacao nibs nila, Sabroso, is unsweetened. So, you'll add yung chocolate flavor niya without sweetening it. And then walnuts. Okay, so we'll just bake this in our preheated oven for around 25 to 35 minutes. Okay, now that our brownies are done baking, so it just takes about 25 to 30 minutes depending on your preference. Right? So yung iba kasi gusto nila medyo underbaked yung brownie. Yung iba naman, if you want yung cakey na brownie, add a little more baking time. So, you want to let them cool sa pan muna before you try to cut para medyo mag-set na siya. So this one, we have let it cool for about half an hour or so. Yan. So we can easily lift it up sa ating pan. Here. So one recipe makes an 8-inch pan, or you can slice it up to 16 slices or 16 servings. So pastries or brownies like this are so easy to make at home and by yourselves. And they're also great gift ideas. Ayan. So ibabox nyo lang siya like this by 6. And then i-ribbon lang. And then gift tag. And ready na siya for gifting. And then, for our recipe costing, you'll see it down below in our video caption. And that is it for our recipe for today, our fudgy vegan brownies. Thank you so much to Sabroso Tsokolate Philippines for letting us try their high-quality chocolate products from the 100% chocolate, cacao nibs, and cocoa powder. So check out their website, and some of their products are also available at the Heartbaker PH Baking Needs. If you want to see more recipe videos like this one, make sure to click the subscribe button here at the Heartbaker Kitchen, and like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to be updated. Make sure to comment down below also if you have any comments, suggestions, or requests for our future recipe videos. Again, this is Heart Caliente. Thank you!